Alrighty guys, welcome back. This is video number 2. What we're going to do is we're going to finish off. I'm just going to pull up this sheet right here. So we just went over these sections right here. We talked about passive transport not requiring any energy, active transport requiring energy. We're going to try and finish off the parts of passive and the parts of active transport, okay? So follow me with me guys. Alright, so let's see here. Alright, slideshow from current slide. Okay. So I want you guys to do one thing for diffusion. Diffusion is the movement of particles from high to low, from areas of high concentration to low concentration. So I'm going to go ahead and give you this analogy over here, okay? So look at the animation on the right-hand side here. Let's see here. So look, see how this concentration starts here, where it's the highest. These gas particles start off really concentrated right here. So they are in a high. Oh, sorry, they are in a high concentration when they're here, and then they disperse because there is a low concentration over here. So they kind of spread out. Right? Think of it as somebody farting. The concentration starts off high in one particular area, and then it disperses to an area of low concentration. So if you guys notice right here, high concentration disperses out to a low concentration. So that's diffusion. And it does not require any energy, right? If you see this model here, high concentration inside of this cell, and then it diffuses out to a low concentration. Now, next one up is facilitated diffusion. So if I facilitate something, I make it easier, right? So facilitated diffusion is the transport by using protein channels. See these red protein channels here? Using protein channels. That is what facilitated diffusion is. Now, if you look over here, these molecules are going right through that cell membrane because they are either really small and they can fit right through the cracks, or because it's CO2 or O2. Okay? So this is just diffusion, and then this is facilitated. I'm just going to write F, right? Because it uses a protein channel. Now these are all subcategories of passive transport. There you go, protein channel. Another example of facilitated here, you guys see the protein channel here, and then this molecule is getting through. You have a high concentration up here. You see all these molecules. They always move from high to low, so this molecule is going to move here. Osmosis is basically the diffusion of water. So water going from a high concentration to a low concentration. So if you guys reference the animation over here, you'll see water moving in and out of the cell. If I have a cell that has a ton of water in it, let's just pretend these dots are water, and there is not a whole lot of water here, the concentration inside is high, and the concentration outside is low. So water will move out of the cell from high to low. So this cell will actually end up losing water and shrivel up. Now we are going to move on to active transport right here, which uses energy, right? And this is when you're going from low to high. Remember, if you're at the bottom of a hill, this is Mr. Aragon, and you want to get from low to high, you are going to use up energy, right? Energy. Okay? And if you look at here, it uses protein pumps, right? So an example that I want you guys to use is this one right here. You see how you have these yellow dots here, or I'm sorry, these red dots right here? There is a low concentration here and a high concentration here. So you're actually going from low to high. So you're going to use this protein pump that requires energy. Okay, my video is almost up. I only have 9 seconds left. I will make 2 more videos, okay? Stay tuned.